Warm-ups. Just everything right now. We're going to do a little upper lower. Starting with the legs. Legs is a big muscle group, so I want to make sure I'm fresh. Got my pre-workout meal in about half hour, 45 minutes ago, so we're good to go. Just keeping everything in line. Make sure that you're doing knee traction so your knees are in line with your hips. Everything is straight hips. Don't let your knees go in or out. Straight in line with your toes. The other thing too, if you want to target a specific muscle, whether it's your hands, your glutes, or your quads, that depends on the stride. So if you take shorter strides, you're focusing more on the quads. If you take a longer stride, you're still hitting the quads, but you're focused more on the hands and glutes. So for my leg workouts, I think this is a great way to warm up. It gets everything warmed up. It's a multi-joint movement, so you're working everything. You're getting your ankle. You're working on your ankle mobility, working on your hip flexors. Everything's opening up, so it's a great way to open up for a leg day. Let your back leg. You don't have to go all the way down. I do, but you could just go with your back knee just above the ground. Like I said, try and keep that knee straight in line with your foot. This is good if you're working on some imbalances as well. You can see where your strong side is and your weak side is. And once more. Not to mention, these are actually a great leg finisher movement. So at the end of your leg workout, they're wild. Like they just burn your legs out. It's a great pump as a finisher. So